Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial today, and today we're going to talk about how to make your image smooth, how to, how to do frequency separation in your image. So take a minute to like and subscribe to my channel, and we are going to start the class in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to class. So right now we are going to duplicate the image into 2, Ctrl G, or you drag your image to here. It's going to duplicate your image for you. So I'm going to rename this one texture or color or high frequency layer. I'm going to name this one color or low frequency layer. So after then I'm going to go to on the color. My layer is going to be on color. I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Use the Gaussian blur little. Make sure whenever you want to use your Gaussian blur for face mostly, make sure you place where your blemishes are much, where your blemishes are very detailed, where your spots are very much in the. Make sure you choose that part so you can get the right result of your face mostly. So my blemishes are much in this spot, so I'm going to increase the radius to the perfect one. So I think 4 is okay. I'm going to press OK. Click on the texture layer, image, apply image. I'm going to give it color or low frequency layer. Make sure the blending mode is subtract. Make sure the opacity is 100. Make sure your scale is 2. Make sure your offset is 128. I'm going to give it the reason why I give it 128 is because the image content of RGB, that is red, green and blue. So I'm going to press OK. So I'm going to give it laser light. Some people give it river light, or it depends on the process you want to follow. So I'm going to give laser light. So I'm going to click on the color mode. I'm going to click on lasso. I'm going to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So we have 4 over here. So the best tip on how to get your perfect Gaussian blur to favorite part of your image to be smooth is multiplied by 3. That is your tip. We are going to reduce videos. So what else do anyone is perfect? But for me, it is 4. 4 times 3, that is going to give us 12. So sorry. I'm going to highlight the part, sorry. So I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So for what I'm saying earlier. So when you want to get the perfect Gaussian blur for your image, I'm going to multiply it by 3. That is just a trick. We are going to repeat videos to the perfect one. So 4 times 3, that is 12. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to highlight the side of our face. I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Press OK. I'm going to go to filter again. I want to highlight the neck. Filter, Gaussian blur. Then I nose over here. Filter, Gaussian blur. The side of our eye is not too necessary because our face is so far from there. So Gaussian blur. I need over hand, over so on. For this tutorial, so I'm just focusing on our face. So after then, I'm going to go to our texture. Click on the spot if wash tool. Some people use if wash tool, some people use part tool, some people use clone tool. Most tools that are being used is clone tool and spot if wash tool. While some other process we use milk wash tool. I have a tutorial on how to use the milk wash tool. You can check in the link in my description below. So you can check that tutorial. There's another process of how to make your skin smooth with the milk wash tool. That other step is very easy and straightforward. Just click on the link in my description below and check that. So yeah, I'm going to click on blemishes, the spots to remove the blemishes. I'm going to zoom things. Then open bracket to make your brush small. Close bracket to make your brush big. I'm going to move the blemishes in our face. And make sure you remove all the spots, all these blemishes in our face to have a better result. Say that is okay. I'm going to do it. Image frequency separation. So after then, you may leave your image like this, or you may also do some other thing to make your image more proper. So right now I'm going to whiten our eyes. I've not made a tutorial on this, but I promise I'm going to make a tutorial on that. Alright, with our right stick. So I'm going to press O, B. So to whiten my eyes. I'm going to use the answer on that. So I'm writing my eyes. I'm going to give you a tip on how to write the eyes also. You may use this small tool. This small tool is beneath this this icon over it. You can also use it to write your eye of your object. You also use the tools. Make sure the mode is on this saturation and the face 50. There's also a soft brush I'm going to use. I also use the white in the eye. So that is also a trick for you. So if you want learn other means to make your eye white, I want to make a tutorial for that. I will make a tutorial for that. So I'm just giving you a trick on how to make your eye white also. So it's just a little bit different between the tools and the action. So after then I'm going to dot and bond. I also make a tutorial about dot and bond. I'm going to use an action. I made a tutorial about dot and bond. So I also check in my description below. Just click on the link in the description below. I'm going to see some things about dot and bond. So once about dot and bond, make sure opacity is 20, make sure your flow is 100, make sure it's soft brush and normal blend mode. So I'm going to on means the shadow, the dark part. So I'm going to darken the dark parts right now. So here is the dark parts here and dark. Mix here and dark. So I'm going to dodge this now. Dodge it for the highlight parts. So I'm going to highlight it. Highlight. And this is highlight it. This highlight. Yeah, do highlight. Okay. Highlight. So one is for the shadow and dark parts, while the other is for the highlight parts, the bright parts. So I'm doing the donor bond. You can also check the donor bond tutorial in my description below. Just see the before and after. Before and after. I'm going to do it over to 80. Then I'm going to color gradient. So, and again, if you want to purchase the retouching pack, in case you don't want to check the tutorial in my description below, you want to purchase the retouching pack that I use, I'm going to give you a link in the description below. So I'm going to go to my address when layer, come to color report, come to lost, have a loss that I'm using for this image. This is just an image called chocolate. So if you want to this loss, you can also purchase it. I'm going to give you the link in the description. So I'm going to change it to lighting. Like the loss affect the whole image. So I'm going to control I. I'm going to press B, brush, B for brush. This of my the mask layer, then the opacity should be 100. I'm going to make the color report to be all over this. Eyes up, you see the before and after. And press cut. You see before, after, before, after, before, after. So, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have a question, ask in the comments below. And anything you don't understand, ask in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next tutorial. I'm going to make and click on the link in the description below to check more on donor bond, how to donor bond, on how to make your eye wisely. And if you want to purchase a donor bond action, the laws that I use, click on the link in the description below. And anything you don't understand, ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.